Hello everyone, I hope we are all doing well. Welcome to week 2 of the natural bar soap making course. So this week we will be making soap, and today we are learning how to prepare our ingredients, measure our ingredients and prepare our soap area. Now, for you to make your soap and get everything correctly, you need to measure your ingredients accurately. Also, you need to make sure that everything you need is on your table where you are going to make the soap. And you need your soap recipe also. You need your soap recipe. It is going to guide you to measure your ingredients correctly. It is going to guide you. So the recipe we have here is the honey and oatmeal soap for babies and sensitive skin. So these are the ingredients that have been listed out with their measurements. So we are going to measure out all these ingredients and put them aside. So you need your digital scale to get your measurements correctly. So you switch it on, and then it goes to 0. Now when you put your measuring cup, it will give you the weight of that measuring cup. So you need to click on tar for it to go back to 0. Tar, T-A-R-E. I hope you can see it. Tar. You need to click on it for it to go back to 0. So it's at 0 now. So we'll measure our water first. And the water we have here is 69 grams. So whilst you are pouring, you look at it. So you see it has given me 88 grams of water and I need 69 grams. So I'm going to pour some back and then I put it back. So it's at 75. It's still more than what I need. So it's at 67 and I need 69. Okay, so we have the 69 now. Okay, so our water is ready now. We'll take it aside. It's time to measure the lye. So you still click on tar. Don't forget to always click on the tar. If not, you get the wrong measurement. So I'm going to measure the lye. And from the recipe, the lye is supposed to be 35 grams. So I'll be pouring and looking. So I've gotten more than the 35 grams. I'll just pour it back. 36. So we have the 35 grams now. I hope you are all following. So this is how you are going to measure all your ingredients. Make sure that you get the exact grams you have written from your recipe. Now it's time to measure the oils. For the oils, you don't need to measure them in separate cups. You can just use the same, you can just be pouring. You click on tar, then you pour. So with the oils, we have sunflower oil 20%, which is 50 grams, because the total grams of oil we need is 250 grams. Okay, 250 grams. So 20% of 250 grams is 50 grams. And then palm kernel oil 50 grams, coconut oil 25 grams, and shea butter 125 grams. So it's at star now, it's 0. So I'm starting with the sunflower oil. Okay, so we've gotten the 50 grams of the sunflower oil. We move ahead with the palm kernel oil, 50 grams. Sorry. So you click on tar. So please, don't forget to click on tar before you add the next oil. So it's at 0 now. You're adding 50 grams of the palm kernel oil. So we have the 50 grams of the palm kernel oil. Then the coconut oil. We need 25 grams. So you click on tar for it to go back to 0. Then we pour the 25 grams. Okay, so we have the 25 grams of the coconut oil. So that is how you are going to measure out everything. All right, for the honey, you can just measure it directly to the soap butter when it's time, since you are going to use a teaspoon. But the oatmeal, we need 10 grams, so you have to measure it also into another cup. All right, so that is how you are going to measure everything, and then you set them aside before you start. So this is how to measure ingredients and also prepare our soap area. I'll see you in the next video.